Assalamu alaikum guys, we are back with another video after a very long time, and this time we have brought you the unboxing of G300 gaming headset, which is from A4Tech bloody, which is mentioned under below the box. So let's begin. Now let's review some feature of the G300 headphone. That it supports metal headband, leather padded headband, dual chamber design speaker, 40mm speaker unit, ultra soft ear cushion, and some other things. The best thing about this is the tangle-free cable, like the cable which goes around itself, and it's very annoying then to use. So let's start with the unboxing. Cut down the tapes. Here is the headphone. As you can see, it's also supports the USB, and it also supports the 2-pin method. So these are the headphones. You can see, I think when I will plug it, it will go some RGB effects. The cushions are very soft. The headband is also very good, and I hope that it's adjustable. Yes, the headband is adjustable. So let's compare the feature described on the box and with the original headphone. We got the metal support headband, the dual design speaker, which is the internal circuitry of the speaker. I cannot open it as it is new. And ultra soft cushion. Yes, the cushions are very soft, and I think mostly the cushions gets destroyed, like this coating gets destroyed. So I don't think that this will happen in this headphone. Omnidirectional microphone. Yes, it is only one directional headphone, it cannot be adjusted. Leather padded headband, yes, and the 40mm speaker unit, it's also the internal part, we can't go in it. And yes, as I told you that when I will plug, it will go RGB, but as described on the back of the headphone, it says that it will produce neon lightning effect. So we will see how it goes, and as the cable is of very good quality and it is also tangle free. So hope you will like this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you.